We have just made it to our first ever glamping spot, and it just happens to be right here next to Eklutna Lake in Alaska. We are here for the next 2 nights. We can't wait to show you guys around, and we've got some special surprises in store. Now, before you even make it to your glamping tent, the road to get down here is absolutely beautiful. And after crossing 2 bridges, it brought us to the parking lot. It's all gravel, and once you get out of the car, it's really not that far of a walk down to your tent. Now, we are in bear country, so Tyler is carrying around some bear spray with him just in case. The very first things you're going to see coming up the drive to your left is the on-site bathroom and the on-site showers. It actually smells really, really clean in there.
I think there's a bear.
This is our first surprise.
Hi.
This is the kitchen. My mom is here. What are you hiding from, Mom?
Hiding from
Yeah.
bear.
So in addition to this huge grill that they've provided us, we've got launchers, we have giant beer pong, which I have a feeling we're gonna play later. We've got a super nice countertop over here, which conveniently has all our pots and pans that we need.
Wow. Oh, they have everything.
We've got mugs, drinking water, we have, I think, everything we would ever need to cook. Moving on from the kitchen, we have some picnic tables, we have a nice gigantic fire pit, and back on the other side of the fire pit are all of the glamping tents. They actually have the option to have up to 5 tents here on this location, and depending on who you're traveling with, you can decide if you want a queen bed or 2 twin beds. This is our home for the next 2 nights. The glamping tent is actually quite a bit larger on the inside than we really thought it would be at all from the outside, and we've got an entire queen mattress here. I've already tested it out, and it's super comfy, and even though Tyler had to kill a spider a minute ago, I think it's gonna be a good weekend. We're back!
Okay, good.
Is the ramen done?
Oh, I didn't do anything yet. Oh, let's go get a food.
While they go get food for dinner, I just wanted to come on and say how grateful I am for you guys watching our videos, because we get to do super cool experiences like this that we would typically never be able to actually afford to do. So just wanted to say thanks for watching, and yeah, can't wait to show you guys all the other epic stuff we have planned before this winter. It's so scary.
Is it poisonous?
Whoa! Whoa, it's big.
Oh my
I hit it.
gosh.
You gonna...
Oh. Cheers!
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers! We decided to head out on a little bit of a walk. We're gonna see if we can find some blueberries maybe for breakfast tomorrow morning.
And we're gonna play a little game. Me versus me. Who can fill the cup the fastest?
Blueberry. Oh, raspberry. It's getting dark. A little bit scary. Bear maybe come out.
I found cranberry.
Get cranberry. Getting pretty dark. Okay,
So we ran into some private property signs, so we're gonna turn back around. We don't want to get in trouble.
Anyway, it's good because I don't like it's getting dark now.
Yeah.
Don't go further in. It's getting rain. It's getting rain. Uh-oh.
Get anything other than oh, I might need a bandage.
Oh! Unfortunately, they both made it back empty-handed.
Not good.
So, since it started raining again, we're gonna play some games.
Scrabble, double, Korean double, or deer in the headlights. Scrabble it is first. I'm the injured one.
Little finger.
We are finally getting ready for bed. Don't let the bears bite. And unfortunately, we walk outside and we can literally see our breath. That's how cold it is. And we were not expecting that. Anyways, we will see you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Oh my god. Follow me. I'm so good.
I'm inside the tent.
I know.
It's very eerie because it's so foggy.
It's weird. There's like no one around.
To take a shower, you gotta do a lot of things. First, you gotta turn on the propane. Second, we gotta go turn on the pump. Take this red thing, and then just put it on top.
Did you jump a little?
Yeah, there's little sparks.
Oh, there's steam.
Oh. Alright, so then I gotta turn on the gas and the water. Hopefully it works. Wow, it's working!
So while Tyler showers, it is our job to make breakfast. And on the menu today, we have pancakes.
It'll look delicious.
Mom, what's that growling sound?
I thought it was a bear nearby. Hear it. Like a bear snoring sounds.
But what is it?
You said it's a battery.
Good camp food?
Really good. Good job, Tyler.
Thank you.
How is it, Mom?
Let's go.
After enjoying our very delicious breakfast, we jumped in the car and are making our way to our very first stop of the day. So while Tyler shuts the gate and locks that behind us, I thought I would show you guys how close the entrance to Alaskan Glamping and the Eklutna recreational area is, because it's literally like, there's the entrance to the park and there's the entrance to glamping.
There's bears.
Dun dun dun.
Alright, so our first stop of the day is Eklutna Lake, which is about a 2-minute drive from where we stayed last night, so nice and short.
Mom, are you ready to do some hiking?
A little bit, yes. Yes.
How much? This little bit or this little bit? So a couple fun facts about Eklutna Lake is that this is actually one of the main water sources for the water system in Anchorage. So even though they rent kayaks and paddle boards and all this stuff that you can take out here, you're actually not supposed to swim in the lake. Fun fact number 2 about Eklutna Lake is that many, many years ago, when Tyler and I first lived up here in Alaska, we actually rented a couple paddle boards and it was so beautiful. It was such a nice day and we got to experience a lot of the lake that you kind of can't from shore. Surprise number 2 on our fun little weekend adventure is the Alaska State Fair. We are super excited to be here. This is our 3rd time enjoying the Alaska State Fair and we are so ready to eat all the State Fair foods. We have officially made it back to our glamping site here, and unfortunately, Tyler did not quite make it on his hike.
Alright, so I'm only about a half mile in, and I am actually going to turn around because this trail is straight uphill, and it is really muddy.
But we do have some plans to eat a little bit more food. For dinner tonight, we have an amazing dish, all created by, you know, our personal chef. We've got steak, we've got grilled peppers, we have mashed potatoes, we have some leftover honey chrysanthemum tea that someone left in the kitchen. And even though we really haven't had the best weather during our glamping experience, the views are honestly still incredible. We have mountains surrounding us, we have the famous Twin Peaks hike right behind us, and you really just can't beat it. Good morning from what is unfortunately our very last morning here at Eklutna Glamping. After finishing off the huge breakfast spread made by my wonderful mother. All right, chef, what's for breakfast today?
Leftover pancake and Danish and apple.
We are saying goodbye to this epic glamping location. We had the most incredible time here, relaxing, unwinding, and even though their season is also at an end, hopefully you'll be able to add this to your bucket list for next summer. Make sure you tell them that we sent you and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye!
What's the name?
Watermelon berry.
Watermelon berry.
It has seeds.
See? I don't want to eat a lot.